Yeah. Stop act like you have it, you know you don't.
When the relationship reach, yes, so when the take back off it starts, it bad. Whenever the relationship reach here, so when the take back off it start, it's so sad and so bad. God knows. When the relationship reach,
you get
you dance with.
Be check.
You dance.
Over here, so now.
Girl, I know that, girl. When me do my juta, you tell me, say, yo, me can't do certain things and I roll with you. You get what me I say? Like, how I say me I work with them because you say, yo, Ray, so me just say, Ray. You get what me I say? No, me just say, Ray, same way. I work with what you say. But if I wrong thing I do, I'm going to tell you, say, the way. And he said, nothing in my package. So me I say, oh, for me, G, would I really do that? Like, that even makes no sense. You understand? Mama go son and send me back a load. See? Mama send me back a load. Come here, make you know that now make no sense, you know. So Mama go son and send me back a load, you know. When he send me back a load, I go so. And everything squits out. You understand? Everything squits out. So when him go forward and I talk about you want to be careful like man and this and that. Me I say that now make no sense. You understand me I say that now make no sense. Yeah, me I say car, any idea you never make your friends stay some up me.
It is alleged that Shaneil Muir involved in a rate because she open up package and do package too. Me not reach that story there yet. I want piece of dirty carelessness this so now draw a chair.
Hey, that girl Shaneil Moore. You know me did kinda like you. When me see your mother disrespect you, me are the only artist come out and defend you. But for you, how you deal with that youth, yeah. Shaneil, you're not able to look blood clot good. You should have give thanks that you have a voice, pussy word. Not even gully back in her prime as an artist, no blood clot want you. Because we find better girl in a supermarket, we find better girl in a coronation market, we find prettier blood clot girl more than you down a St. Elizabeth in a Scallion field. That you know say water down 6 times already. Hush up your fucking mouth and come off your app. You act like say you are the first girl get fuck and dump. Spice no get fuck and dump. Lady Sa no get it. Maca Diamond get it. Hush your fucking mouth up. All chance I get it. You have to pay 50.
So, Khago, seriously, how you reach in the people them things? Khago, I come like say you have a problem with Shaneil Muir. Because when you talk, nobody care if a blood clot, believe. Because you get up in your class, the hermaphrodite over this, so the pretty that, the dirty, ugly Dan. Your class, the hermaphrodite, I know you and the hermaphrodite are so. Like, make it make sense, Khago. Where you depend? Oh, you reach that Shaneil Muir. And if you never watch the woman, oh, you don't know, say, I titty them long. Khago, you have to stop it. Come out of blood clot, the people them war. Khago, you know if supposed to in a nobody war, you know, because your war was one of the turbulentest war. We call that enough. We call that enough. Khago, you too little bit enough. Stay away from the lady. Okay? Leave the blood clot woman, make sure our man have it out and war it out with the out. We over here, so we not style none of them. We are talk about them because them put them business on the media. Khago, you're not supposed to in a number the war. Look on your blood clot situation and issues that you did have the other day. I mean, know you watch because the word blood clots on watch me what who can step to me. Because I don't have nothing about me, I don't have no secret for me, I don't know nothing about blood clot, girl. You're confused, Khago. Go find a hit song. Go and find a hit bumbo clad song and love the girl. And one thing you say what makes sense and is that she have some good vocals. Leave the blood clot woman alone and our bumbo clot man make them go through what them go through. We over here so just to sit down and analyze the blood clot situation. You understand? Not fuck you gonna class the woman. The woman never class you. Alright.